Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Step back, let me see if I can give this beat some justice. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Coming through for you. 1, 2, mic check, say Chuck's on the set. Forever spreading the gospel is true. You're gonna get the truth. We gon' spew and aiming at you. What you gonna do is confronting you too. The truth is gonna be truth making you free. The truth fits the key. I'ma spit truth MC. Christ came down and died on the tree. Whom the sun sets free, that dude is free indeed. Christ the light of the world that shines in the dark. He came to his own the truth to impart the truth. We let loose the truth that you see. The truth is like juice that's pouring on me. You trust in the Lord, you won't be confounded. Whatever comes your way, yo boy, you be grounded. The feet of a good man just won't be moved. Even though my dude gets used and abused. Forever established like a pillar on earth. Forever in heaven, given the new birth. Just hold on to the word despite what you get. He'll strengthen your heart, your needs they get met. Your dude, this ain't silly, too better than a million. Freer than Free Willy, the truth. I'm trying to get you on, back in your hilly. Just bust out with the broad, though both get cold and chilly. Just hold on to the break of dawn. Come on, coming through for you. It's on my check, round 2 coming through. The waves get rough and caving in upon you. No way out of your situation. Temptation activates your frustration. At the end of your road, can't see the way out. Ain't nobody around when loud, just scream out. My dude is desperate, about to cave into sin. Demonic chokehold, about to give him the win. Losing the battle, raging within. It seems like you're falling again and again. Look up to the hill from whence comes your help. It comes from the Lord, abundance of wealth, abundance of strength, abundance of life. Your weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning light. He'll put an end to all of your pain and strife. You'll be a part of the bride, that's the church, Christ's wife. Just come to Christ, give him your life tonight. What does it profit the man if he gains the whole world, but to the flames of fire his soul it get hurled? Better count the cost of what Christ demands, and on judgment day in the end you can stand up. Everybody goes to heaven, some get asked to leave. Best to get your house in order so in judgment day you can breathe. Yo, breathe. Yo, breathe. Yo, come on. Yeah, come on. Got the freestyle session coming up. A unique freestyle at each one of these breed rhymes. Come on, what we come up with? I don't know. I don't know. It's on my check, round 2 coming through. The camera's rolling and it's aiming at you. Christ watching every move that you make. Yo, better not make mistakes when it comes to the word that Christ is so nice. Yo, think about it twice, think about it 3 times. You don't wanna roll the dice. When it comes to playing with your soul tonight, just come to Christ, give him your life tonight. He'll be an end to all of your pain and strife. I'm crying out to you, I hope you're hearing what I say. Come to Jesus Christ, give him your soul today now. Come on. Yeah, breathe, yeah, come, yo, breathe, yo, now, yo, breathe on the mic like breathe now, yo, mistakes and all, yo, we on the ball, come on, Christ is so nice, Christ is what you need, Christ will deliver your soul from greed, come on.